How to create a high converting landing page on Systeme IO. The first thing that you want to do is pull up your browser and access their official website, system.io. So once you're logged in, you'll be routed to your dashboards and you just have to hover your mouse to funnels. You click on it and then create. Now you need to name your funnel, and since we are starting from scratch, we need to click or choose custom and then choose your currency. Once everything is finished, you click on save. Now you click on the funnel you created. So I haven't completed my profile here, so that is why I am not seeing pre-made funnel templates. So once you completed your profile, you will be able to see various types of funnel or landing page templates. So after that, you go to step configuration. All right, you click on your funnel, and this will be your customization page. This is your landing page. You can adjust or change or customize the text, the headline text, text with a bulleted list. You can add a content box. You can add image, video, audio, carousel, and under blocks, you'll be able to see any other features or adjustments that you can use under your landing page. So that is how you create a high converting landing page on Systeme IO.